How to tag someone on Instagram without showing. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first launch your Instagram, then tap on the plus icon, go to story, then simply select the story that you want to post and then simply post it first without mentioning. Wait for the story to be uploaded, and after that go to your story and then tap on this three dot more icon. Now you will see an option of add mentions in your second last option. So from here simply find the person that you want to mention and then add it. Now without showing it on your story, the mention will be added. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.